Imagine a future king, born in the heart of the wild. A tiny lion cub, nestled beside its mother, eyes full of innocence. Just like this cub, your dreams deserve a safe haven to grow and flourish. Isn't it time to nurture your future with the same care? Start your journey today and let your ambitions roar. Don't wait, secure your future now.
Weil da jetzt alle rüberschauen.
Bitte?
Was ist da drüben? Weil da alle...
Hier drüber sind Springböcke, Pferdeantilopen,
Ach, da
Giraffen.
laufen die Pfleger gerade
Und die
rum.
Pfleger laufen
Ja,
wahrscheinlich
jetzt
gerade
deswegen
rum.
schauen sie so.
Könnte
Jetzt.
ja sein, dass sie was vorschmeißen.
Aha.
Das ist
Jetzt.
eher unwahrscheinlich.
Jetzt.
Gruppenfoto mit schlafendem Fahrer, also Ellie.
So.
Ever wondered how a lion learns to rule the savannah? The cub stumbles out of the den, eyes wide with wonder. Each day, he watches older lions hunt and play, fascinated by their prowess and strength. His mother lioness shows him how to stalk and pounce with precision. From these smallest steps, he learns the laws of survival and strength. Ready to embrace your inner lion? Take the first step today and unleash your potential. Join us and grow stronger every day. See the lion cub, now older and wiser, join the hunt. Imagine the thrill of his first leap through the tall grass. Through trials and triumphs, he sharpens his instincts. Can you feel his growth and determination? Experience the wild journey. Witness the transformation. Ready to embark on your own adventure? Start now. Ever felt the thrill of a lion's roar? Imagine facing your greatest rival with unmatched strength and courage. But in the wild, only the strongest will claim the crown. Are you ready to unleash your inner lion?